Some more decor. The zombie apocalypse hunt.
So that's what it is, zombie apocalypse?
Zombie apocalypse. They got the little camper out already, the trailer. As we round the curve, you will notice our famous Walker's Bar and Cake Liberty. These inner-line water rides. Oh, that ride would have been much welcome today. It's more than last year. And I hear that the Mausoleum of Terror is boarded up. Well, that building at least is boarded up. So who knows what they'll be using. Using that for. Thank you.
What about if it touches us?
Yeah, right? That's for Fright Fest, where the trees touch you. See, look, yeah, they're clearing out some of that area in there. They got the benches away. Sorry about all the trees, not my fault. Yeah, a lot of benches are put up. I want to see the building up here. Let's see. Yeah, look, it's a building back there. It's all walled up. It's not open like it used to be. So even though it won't be Mausoleum of Terror, something's happening.
Yeah, something's going on.
You can't really see in there, but oh yeah, I see Fright Fest props and good stuff in there. Like the one skeleton that pops up. Awesome.